Hello, I'm David Craig. I'm a cancer surgeon, and I work at the University of Vermont. And I've had the great pleasure for the past several years of working with an amazing group of people to develop RefBin. I really could not keep up with all the projects that I was working on. I run clinical trials, I work in the lab, and I take care of patients. All these areas are demanding in terms of being up on the literature, and I just could not do it. The literature was too much. So I either needed to let some of these things go, or I needed to develop a new system. And I was fortunate to work with people that could help me develop a new system. The other reason I developed it is that I really like these different projects. I like to connect dots. Molecular biology, anatomy, lymphatic physiology, immunology, these things all blend together, but one needs to have a very broad understanding of these areas to be able to connect all these things together. The most important thing that RefBin has done to change what I'm doing is to make me feel much more confident about the literature. I know the boundaries on a topic, and I know where that ends. This is important when I see a patient, because if they have an unusual condition, I have to know all the latest possible treatments available for that condition. That means I have to know the edge. Also, when designing laboratory experiments, if we don't step off what's known, then we're just repeating things that people have already done. So you have to know the boundary of what's known, and then, of course, what's not known. RefBin changes how I prepare grants, how I prepare manuscripts. It makes things much easier. In the old days, I had baskets. All these things behind me on the wall were reading projects and everything in paper. It was pretty organized, but it was very tedious. Or the file cabinet down over here, all the hard copies. This is all gone. RefBin has taken all that away, and now I manage things electronically and much faster. Well, one of the most important features about RefBin that I really appreciate is that it allows me to integrate everything. Everything blends together. And when that happens, I can work much faster and much more efficiently. I'm very busy. We all are very busy, and I need to shave off and gain some more time, and RefBin helps me do that. My database contains well over 6,000 articles, and I can find any article within just a few seconds. The other thing I enjoy that RefBin provides is these mundane tasks that are really kind of boring, getting full-text PDFs and a variety of things, are taken care of by RefBin. Let the computer do the boring stuff. I'll do the thinking part. RefBin allows an aggregation of information related to all this literature in a way that allows me to think differently. It allows a very big condensation of information, and this is very helpful to me. Well, RefBin needs to go out and be used by other people so that they can be more efficient. The students that are using it, they get it right away. They're so fast with this. It's very normal for them. Sharing it with colleagues, I get a great deal of pleasure when I can see that their lives can be more efficient. Their lives are busy enough, they're complex enough, and if we can do something that can make that a bit more efficient, this is a very good thing. Well, thanks for watching this video. This has been a very exciting project, and I look very much forward to interacting with a great deal of people in helping them with their projects.